Alright, everybody, so I just hear that Lionel has just released the 2023 catalog, and they said they're releasing new stuff this year, so let's take a look. Alright, so we first start off with the Vigilant Big Boys. I don't know why they're releasing them again, especially since they got so many. But, alright, then who's complaining? No, you never have too many big boys. They also have different schemes of the big boys, and they also have coaches like the sounding. I'm sorry, the Union Pacific Station Sounds Diner car, the 2-pack, and the 4-pack. There's the big boy superset with and there's also 2 cabooses, some box cars. Now we move on to the Legacy Steam section. We got some They got some Hudsons, like New York Central, in different schemes. This one looks a little clearer, especially since it doesn't have the New York Central on it. Anyway, so there's another New York Central set, which includes the Hudson, and we also see some cars. There's two packs and 1 4-pack. We also have some Russian decapods. It includes fan-driven smokestacks, legacy rail sounds, new tooling, and wire teeter. And for the first time, they now have Briscoe number 1630 on their list. That's a good. They also have some Pennsylvania 11s, and they have legacy rail sounds, Rail Pacific details, whistle steam, and fan drum smoke units. They also have the 484s, which includes 2926, the restoration version, and Santa Fe 2926, the restored version. They also have some Camelbacks, some F units, or excuse me, not F units, but E8 and E9 AA sets. And they also have some ES44AC diesels, which include Super Bass, Kinetic Pilot, some NW2 Switcher diesels, some GP20s, and the Lehigh Valley Legacy Camelback set, Union Railroad Hot Metal Train Legacy set, the Iron Hippo Legacy set, the Santa Fe Fruit Express Legacy set, and the Rock Island. I'm sorry. Hold on. The Rock Island Quad Sites Cities Rocket set, some gondola cars and some flat cars with trailers, some grain door box cars, NV cabin cabooses, GLA hoppers, scale rolling stocks, standard old center beam flat cars, standard old box cars, standard old bucklehead flat cars, and some gondolas with covers, and standard old sir. Now we move on to the traditional ones. Up there we have some Mikados, but surprisingly they didn't put 4501 up there. I would love to get 4501, but I wish it showed up in Lionel Line Chief Plus 2.0. They now have some Bud RDC car units. I don't know. Like, I'm really not interested in these, but I can tell you, they really look cool. They also have some ET44AC diesels, and some GP20s, and some NW2 switchers. And now we move on to Disney. We have the Disney 100th anniversary set and 2 boxcars, and also some boxcars. We have Toy Story, Frozen 2, and Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. I'm surprised that they made a set out of this and that purple locomotive and all that. Thomas, John Deere, Hogwarts, which they got cars in different schemes, paint schemes, and they got the fast freight service, and a Mikado that is Transylvania like, the Hallows limited set, and some other accessories. And they also have the space exploration set, Area 51 railroad set, Anheuser Budweiser set, and all that. They also have some 2A2 consolidations. Well, we'll get to that later. Anyway, there's the Gold Mountain Line Chief Bluetooth 5.0 set, the Texas Special Passenger Line Chief Bluetooth 5.0 set, Santa Fe -8 Autorack set, the Great Locomotive Chase Deluxe Line Chief Bluetooth 5.0 set, Lionel Lines Mixed Freight Line Chief Bluetooth 5.0 set, Union Pacific Flyer Chesapeake and Ohio set, Pennsylvania Keystone Special, Graffiti Line Chief Bluetooth set, Emergency Response set, Santa Fe Super Chief set, Army Freight Line Chief set, and we also have some, they also have some 280s, but 630 is not even on there. I wish they would have made 630. That would be pretty awesome to get, but they didn't show them here. Anyway, they have some 44 toners, some -8 diesels, some TMCC rail bonders, and some Justice League cars. Looney Tune, Disney Pixar cars, Angela Thomas, some Chevrolet cars and accessories, Molson Colors, American Wings and Angles, Battlefield of Honor collections, and Presidents of the United States collection, assorted box cars and all that, and personalized box cars. And now we move on to the Christmas section. And as first, there's Polar Express, but there's some things that has changed. There's still the original set and the freight set. And they also have some RDC cars and some add-on track or ice track, whatever they call it. This track illuminates and flickers as the train runs over the track. For added fun, place the icy track under the track to recreate the chaotic icy lake scene as dissipated in the Polar Express motion picture. And I wish they would have made like straight fast track. The cars, more cars. They also have some Christmas trains and Christmas. There's the Disney 'Tis the Holiday Season Cheer set. the Christmas Express set, the Christmas Light Express set, Winter Wonderland Express, North Pole Center lines, and some Christmas assorted stuff, and some arts made by Angela Trotta Thomas. There's Christmas rolling stock, Christmas assorted rolling stock, Christmas accessories, some other Christmas accessories, Expand Your World, Warner Bros., military, plug and play and expand, some plug and play track, bridges and building kits, and assorted accessories like these tunnel porters, crossing gates and lights, street lights and telephone poles, assorted signs and assorted figure packs, fast track, which includes some straight tracks and some curved tracks. There's the crossing, and for American Flyer they haven't made like grade crossing sets like I told them, but never mind that. But I also have some smoke fluids, which I already have. I have plenty of smoke fluids. Anyway, we hit the American Flyer section, which includes some Baldwin switchers and Freight Zones boxcars, Christmas boxcar. Wait a minute. Why is the lettering on top of the car? I guess they wanted to make another version of it. Or that's not the case. But anyway, they have a TOFC flat car, and I've already got those cars, and I've already got the set and everything, so y'all know. And track, some HO scale, all aboard sets. What's this? North Carolina 2020. Ah, fudge. I wish it was in the Chattanooga Choo Choo Hotel, but that was years ago. Anyway, that was the 2023 catalog, and hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see this catalog, go to catalogs.lionel.com/2023 and so on. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time.